Hello, welcome to my listing here at 6103 Osgood Parkway. Come on in. As you can see, it's got the great room feel as you walk in. There's a great seating area with gas fireplace. And as we go to the dining room, or dining area, there's a great patio and a fully fenced in backyard. So this is actually a gourmet kitchen. If you notice on the wall, there's a double wall oven. And then a little bit unusual in our area too is the Wolf gas range with the custom hood over the top. There's a built-in wine rack over there. And it's all granite countertops with a farmhouse sink. Lots of counter space, lots of drawers, lots of cabinets. And then if you go down a short hallway towards the master bedroom, you'll see it's a great size for the master bedroom. And then it also has recessed lighting up in the ceiling that's really pretty cool. It's also a really large master bath. So we have a big walk-in closet. A separate toilet area. And a great walk-in tiled shower. There's actually plenty of room in here. It's really pretty big in here. So if we go on the other side of the living room, we're going to the garage too. They have a sliding barn door here, and it does have a main floor laundry. All finished off, easy to get to. And then going across, there's bedroom number 2. And the main floor bathroom, so your guests, easy access for your guests and for the other 2 bedrooms here, because bedroom number 3 is coming up. And right now they're using that as an office. Then we'll go downstairs. Huge family room. Huge, huge, huge. And there's a bar area, a built-in bar area over here. There's plenty of room here for a pub table. Or you could sit, stand and play darts. And another gas fireplace. And if you feel like exercising, we've got the spot for you. Hey, there's me and my photographer. So it's a full wall mirror there. I'd use those weights and exercise, whatever, but you don't need to watch me try and work out. And then downstairs, we have more bedrooms. Bedroom number 4. Bedroom number 5. So we have 5 bedrooms. There's going to be an additional bathroom. So we have 5 bedrooms and 3 baths in this home. And the last bathroom. There's also a large storage room. So that ends our tour. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for joining us. And the price on the home is $499.9, 6103 Osgood Parkway.